Good morning, radiant soul. Welcome to your daily reset for gratitude and abundance. Get comfortable, stand strong, or sit with your spine tall. Gently place your hand on your heart and breathe with me 3 times. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out fear. Breathe in abundance. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in joy. Breathe out scarcity. Gratitude is where abundance begins. This is your moment to claim both. Say these words with intention. Feel them awaken your energy. Let's rise into a powerful day. I begin today overflowing with gratitude and abundance. Thank you, universe, for the endless blessings already here. I am grateful and magnetized to massive abundance. Gratitude multiplies every good thing in my life. Abundance flows to me in joyful, unexpected ways. Thank you for the rich, beautiful life I live. I am deeply thankful and wildly abundant. My heart is open to receive infinite good. Gratitude is my vibration. Abundance is my reality. Thank you for money that supports my dreams. I appreciate every gift life gives me daily. Wealth and joy rush toward me now. I am grateful for perfect health and vitality. Abundance is my natural state. Thank you. Thank you for love that surrounds and fills me. Gratitude turns what I have into more than enough. I attract prosperity with every thankful thought. My life is rich in blessings big and small. Thank you for the miracles unfolding today. I am worthy of unlimited abundance. Gratitude lights up my path to wealth. Thank you for opportunities knocking right now. I gratefully receive financial freedom. Abundance expands in my grateful heart. Thank you for the beauty I see everywhere. I am thankful and money loves me. Gratitude opens floodgates of prosperity. I live in overflow. Thank you, thank you. My energy attracts joyful abundance daily. Thank you for supportive, loving people. I am grateful for restful sleep and new energy. Wealth flows easily because I am thankful. Gratitude is my abundance accelerator. Thank you for creative ideas that pay off. I appreciate the air, sun, and earth. Abundant gifts. My bank account grows with my gratitude. Thank you for health that allows me to thrive. Abundance is safe, fun, and mine now. I am thankful for every sunrise of possibility. Gratitude makes me a magnet for miracles. Thank you for the love I give and receive. Prosperity is active and increasing today. I gratefully claim my abundant life. Thank you for synchronicities guiding me. My gratitude creates endless wealth. I am thankful for inner peace and outer riches. Abundance shows up in perfect timing. Thank you for the strength to dream bigger. Gratitude elevates me to new levels of plenty. I appreciate every win, seen and unseen. Thank you for money that comes joyfully. I am grateful and financially unstoppable. Abundance is my birthright. I claim it. Thank you for nature's generous beauty. Gratitude fills me. Abundance surrounds me. I am thankful for freedom and flow. Wealth builds while I stay grateful. Thank you for inspired action today. My grateful heart attracts golden opportunities. Abundance is here and growing fast. Thank you for the gift of this moment. I am rich in gratitude and resources. Gratitude is the secret to my prosperity. Thank you for joy that money can't buy. I gratefully welcome more and more. Abundance loves my thankful energy. Thank you for perfect health flowing freely. I am grateful for love that multiplies. My life is a masterpiece of abundance. Thank you for divine support every day. Gratitude turns dreams into reality. I am thankful, and wealth keeps coming. Abundance is effortless when I'm grateful. Thank you for laughter and lightness. I appreciate the flow of good in my life. Gratitude is my daily wealth ritual. Thank you for blessings already received. I am open, thankful, and overflowing. Prosperity dances with my gratitude. Thank you for the courage to receive. I am grateful for infinite supply. Abundance is my normal, joyful state. Thank you for gentle, loving guidance. Gratitude raises my vibration sky high. I am thankful for every beautiful detail. Wealth and happiness chase me now. Thank you for the power of gratitude. My grateful soul attracts endless good. Abundance is expanding in every way. Thank you for this abundant morning. I live gratefully and prosperously. Gratitude is my key to total freedom. Thank you for miracles big and small. I am thankful, aligned, and abundant. Abundance flows like a river to me. Thank you for the gift of being alive. Gratitude makes every day extraordinary. I am wrapped in thankful abundance. Thank you for everything coming my way. I am profoundly grateful and richly abundant. Breathe in deeply. Feel gratitude and abundance filling every cell. Breathe out. Release anything that blocks your flow. You are aligned. You are magnetic. You are thriving. Carry this positive, grateful energy into your beautiful day. The universe is already saying yes. Keep saying thank you. Thank you for affirming with me this morning. May your day be filled with gratitude, miracles, and overflowing abundance. See you tomorrow.